Look at this gorgeous little view. You might know where I'm at. And for those who don't, I'm at the other end of Lake Louise here in Banff National Park. Believe it or not, we're in the middle of May, and this is what you can expect. But spring actually doesn't start in the mountains until June. You can expect weather like this in Lake Louise all the way until mid-July. You'll still find big clumps of snow and ice all over the place. I spent 3 days in this area recording campgrounds for you guys to enjoy. I have quite a few campground videos coming from the Lake Louise area, and some from Yoho National Park, and also some from Kootenay National Park. So check my channel in 2024 for that. But I also came to stop by Lake Louise because there's some changes. So I wanted to make another video, kind of give you guys some little tips if you come to visit Lake Louise. First of all, the parking has actually increased in price. They just charge a daily rate. There's no more hourly rates. $36.75 Canadian. So it's like $37. Basically, if you want to park here for the day, I mean, it's worth it if you're gonna come and do a day hike, but if you're actually just coming to just check the lake out, then it's probably not worth it. The other thing that's happening is they're making a roundabout at the bottom there. And I think it's gonna help with flow of traffic. So there's going to be delays and stuff here all summer long. So if you just wanna come to see Lake Louise, you're way better off to go all the way to the ski resort and park there, book your shuttle ahead of time, and you can use a shuttle to come visit Lake Louise and to come visit Moraine Lake. They have like a certain amount that they open up to the pool, so even if it's last minute, you'll still be able to find stuff. Just do a little bit of planning and you'll be good to come and visit Lake Louise. Another way you can come and visit Lake Louise, which is probably the easiest, especially if you're staying here, just walk. There's a nice trail that comes from Lake Louise, the town, all the way to the lake. It's only a few kilometers. It's quite gorgeous. There's like a little tunnel that goes through there, and I've actually made 2 videos trying to showcase this neat little trail. That way you don't have to worry about your car. You can park it at your hotel, or you park it at the campground, wherever you're staying, because if you park at the wrong place here, your car is going to get removed. Like, this is a busy tourist area. That's one of the problems when an area gets super busy like this. They have to close down certain areas to try to make it better for everyone. Same thing last year, they closed down Moraine Lake. You have to use a shuttle anyways. So if you're gonna take a shuttle to go to see Moraine Lake, you might as well book your shuttle for Lake Louise. So in this video, I'm gonna put a bunch of websites in here that you guys can go and check out information if you wanna book some shuttles. There's Parks Canada ones, and there's also a bunch of private shuttles. There's a lot of entrepreneurs that have spent some time to take advantage of this. Something else that I wanted to mention to you guys too in this video is what to bring when you come here. Well, obviously, in May, you're gonna find a whole lot of snow still. Like, this is quite crazy. And if you think there's a lot of snow here, you should see at the back there, there's way more snow up there. And you need to bring good gear while you're out here. I got the chance this weekend to test out 2 new products sent to me by MEC, and I wanted to showcase these in the video because they're awesome little products. And the first one is this gorgeous little day pack. I've been running around with a full-blown 55-liter pack that carries all my stuff for the longest time. It's just like one big sack, and it kind of rolls up the top, which is kind of neat. So depending on the size, you can just clip it and close it. It reminds me of those dry bags that you use for canoeing. I can put quite a bit of stuff in here. I had like a Sony cameras and multiple tripods and a little small gimbal, and there's like a little small pouch at the front. And what I like is that there's just little tiny straps, and it's perfect to fit my Garmin InReach and to fit my bear spray, and there's nothing around your waist. So it actually frees up some of the stuff that I use to hold my cameras to begin with. There's actually quite a bit of space in there to shove your clothes and stuff in there, your extras, because you never know what you're gonna come across in the mountains. It was actually raining the entire time that I walked around Lake Louise. And just as I got here, it just stopped. So I will take that with a grain of salt, because I got this gorgeous 3-season Gore-Tex jacket from MEC. The cool thing that this backpack and this coat have, it's a RECO, it's advanced rescue technology. So the fabric that they use helps search and rescue find you in case of an emergency. And this jacket has it all, because it's fully waterproof. And it even has zippers for the armpits, because as you're walking along, it gets super warm. My old jacket didn't have the zippers of the armpits. This hood is big enough to put your helmet, and there's even a pull string at the back, and there's a pull string at the bottom. And on the inside coat here, anything you want to hold on the inside here. And this is also made out of Gore-Tex, so this breathes nicely, but because it's Gore-Tex, it's more on the expensive side. These types of gear, you kind of have to look at it as an investment, because this jacket will last me probably my entire life, especially if you take care of it. And a lot of the MEC products will last you your life if you take care of them. My friend Isabel showed me this winter a big puffy jacket that she still uses, and she says it's 20 years old. So that's pretty cool when you invest in good equipment to come and explore the mountains. I hope this video helps you decide how you're gonna come and check out Lake Louise this summer, and also a few tips and tricks on what to bring when you come out here. You're better off to have more and not enough stuff when you come into the mountains. If you need water or you need a snack and you're 10 kilometers away from your vehicle, you need to have brought all that stuff with you. So think ahead before you come in the mountains. And this is the gorgeous Lake Louise here in Banff National Park. I'm Eric Tremblay, and these are my adventures. Peace out, everyone.